All right, here's a update on what we've got going on with the 66. We've got the hood off. Been working on getting the grill and the everything off so that we can get the core support out. The core support is very rotten. It's way worse than I thought it was. You can see down there, it just goes all the way through. One surprising thing is the battery tray's in pretty good shape. We have been working on gutting the interior. This is my helper axle.
Hi guys.
And we got the rotten dash pad out, the instrument cluster out, the seats out, and we got all the trim and everything off the doors and panels off the doors, so we can get ready to pull the doors in the cab. We got the box cleaned out. I mentioned in the last video that the box was in really good shape. If you look, there's not even hardly any dings or dents in the ribs. The wheel wells are in pretty good shape. And he's already called dibs on this truck. He says it's gonna be his.
Yeah.
So that's kind of where we're at. I've been shooting everything with a lot of PB blaster. 55-year-old bolts don't want to come out. So we're gonna get everything pulled. Hopefully I can get the front clip doors and possibly the cab and the bed off this weekend. I'd like to get it clear down to the frame, but that's where we're at on everything. So I did get some new lights put in so that we can see what we're doing. I also got this rack built so that I can start keeping my parts on here organized. And then had this old dresser, and I decided to use it, put my bags with my labeled bolts in and all my trim parts and smaller parts in these drawers, so that I don't have to be stacking them on the shelves and losing them or breaking them. So that's where we're at on everything right now. Anyone's got any tips or advice, those are welcome. We're just gonna keep chugging along on tearing her down and hopefully get it to where we can start getting it put back together soon. I'm really excited about getting it put back together. We're gonna leave the original paint. We're probably gonna buff it. And then I seen some stuff online called Poppy's Patina Wipe On Clear Coat, and I think we're gonna do that to it. Keep her shiny with the original paint and clean it up that way. I am gonna repaint the inner fenders, and I do have a second core support over here. We'll get that all cleaned up and painted. We're gonna probably not paint the dash or the doors. We are gonna do a new headliner. We're gonna recover the seat, new dash pad, probably paint the steering column, and then we're just gonna leave as much of it as we can. Like this right here is from my grandpa hanging his arm out the door while he's driving it. He rubbed paint clear down on it, and so we're gonna keep that. It's a memory of my grandpa. So I need to get the floor pans and everything ordered. I need to be able to get the floor redone, but I want to get the cab pulled first. So that's where we're at. We'll get new rubber for the doors ordered and rubber for the windows. We're gonna need a new windshield. So just keep watching, and if you have any advice, post your comments, and thanks for watching. Say bye.